Let's talk about sanity testing. People are always confused about smoke and sanity testing. So smoke testing is already covered in previous video. You can find the link of that video in description. Now let's understand about sanity testing and how sanity testing is different from smoke testing. Sanity testing is performed after smoke testing. In smoke testing, we confirmed that the build is stable and can proceed for further testing. Sanity tests are always executed on stable builds. Sanity testing is a subset of regression testing, so it is performed before the complete regression test execution, or we can say it is a part of regression testing. What is the need of sanity testing? Let me explain the whole thing with an example. There is a possibility that the build contains the code for testing due to mainly two reasons. Either the developer has fixed any bug in that build or any new functionality or feature is added. In case of any bug is resolved, the process would be that firstly, we will test the build for stability by performing smoke testing. Once our build is stable, then we will perform retesting to check whether that bug is fixed or not by performing the same scenario. Next, we will perform sanity testing in which we will quickly verify that the feature is working fine or not for which bug was resolved. Means the whole feature is working fine or not. At the end, we will perform the complete regression testing to verify that other features are not impacted due to this change. For example, suppose on any website, we have a register page to create account and there is a condition that username must be unique. No two users can have same username, but this is not working as expected. Multiple users are allowed to enter same username. So the tester reported bug for this. Now the developer resolved this and assigned the build to testers for its testing. The tester firstly performs smoke testing and will perform one positive scenario of register user to check whether the account creation functionality is working fine or not. If this is working fine, then the tester will perform retesting, in which the tester will try to enter same username for multiple users to check whether the bug is resolved or not. Once this retesting is completed and found that bug is resolved, then the tester will perform sanity testing, in which the complete register page will be tested and the user profile page will be tested because the user can update the username from profile page. So that page also need to be tested. Means in sanity testing, those features are tested which are impacted through this bug. If sanity tests fail, then the build is assigned back to developer for fix. But if the sanity tests pass, then the build proceeds for complete regression testing. Now, at last step, perform regression testing in which all other functionalities will be tested to confirm if there is any impact on existing features due to this change. If there is a limited time to deploy code on production and the changes are very small, then regression testing can be skipped. And after sanity testing, the code can be deployed to production. Similarly, if any new feature has been added by developer in that build, then we will follow the process that firstly performs smoke testing to verify the stability of build. Then perform sanity testing to check whether that new feature or functionality is working fine or not. After that, perform the regression testing in which all the other features or functionalities are tested to validate that there is no impact on rest of the code. I hope you got an idea what is the exact difference between smoke testing, sanity testing, and regression testing and why we perform sanity testing. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and share the channel Automation Exercise.